Now let's get started with the line charts. Line charts, like we have already had a look about the bar chart. So as we saw already, we can make line charts using plot as mentioned over with the matplot library. And now we'll create a file named linechart.py. So that will help in plotting the particular visualization with the line charts. So let's get started with our sample code, and that will be the best example for line charts which will have variance. So now I'll mention from matplotlib import pyplot as plt. Now after this I'll mention the array value of variance equals the values, random values as 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. These are the random values, and 128, and after that I'm setting a value as 256. If you see the parameter over here, it is 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, and so on. That is 128 into 2 multiplied by 2 gives 256. This is my variance. The next value is bias underscore squared equals the value as 256, 128. This will be the reverse one, 64, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Now we'll do the concept with respect to a variable name total underscore error equals value as x plus y for x, y in zip. It will call for zip archive where it will archive the particular format, and that is variance, bias squared. Now after that I'll set up the axis value, which is like setting up the limits for my particular line charts, and this limits will be visible in my x-axis. I for I, and I'll just mention the parameter as underscore in. I'll enumerate with the value as variance. Okay. After this I'll set up the next important point is to plot my particular value. So I'll plot my variance and my bias square. So that I'll use the function plt.plot axis, variance, the next parameter is g minus, and after that the next value will be called for the value as label equals variance. And the next value now comes into picture is plt plot axis, bias squared, and after that the next value comes over here is r minus the value as label equals bias raised to 2. It will be called with the value as bias raised to 2. After that comes the label, which I need to mention over here. So this was for bias raised to 2, and then comes the next calculation is for the total error. So I'll just mention that over here as plt plot axis, the next parameter will be the y-axis, which is total error, and I'm setting up a label. This is the colors. This is the colors I'm giving. This is blue color, G stands for green, and R stands for red. And it is the depiction of the line charts. So we are following that syntax over here. And after that, the parameter of label will have a value as total error. After that, I'll plot the legend value as plot legend local equals 9. I'll set up the x-axis with the label value as xLabel with the value of model complexity, and then comes the values associated over here as plt.title, the value as the bias variance trade-off, and after that comes the value for show, so that is plt.show. So this part has been calculated. Now we'll go to our command prompt. First of all, I'll clear the values over here, and now I'll run my script. Now we'll run the script of Python as python line chart.py. So this will execute the line chart as it is depicted over here. This is the bias variance trade-off with the variance value and bias raised to 2 and total error labels being mentioned properly. So basically we have 3 lines depicted over here with the model complexity as my x-axis. This lines can be depicted even more, like it can be kept in a zoom way, like zoom to rectangle, so you can zoom whenever you want, and you can export this figure as you need it, like in the image. So this image format can be even the PNG format or the PDF formats or any other format which you need it. So in this way, line charts can be depicted using matplotlib library.